Hello guys, welcome back to an amazing vlog from Shillong. As you know from previous vlog, in the morning we went to Elephant Falls where most of the time it was drizzling and the temperature felt considerably low. So the best way to warm you up is to take a walk or a jog in the city. So we decided to explore the Wards Lake, which is in the heart of the city. From Lashmia, where we are staying, to Wards Lake, it is around 15 to 20 minutes of walk. By the time we reached there, it was around 5 o'clock, and these days due to the pandemic protocols, tourist places are closed around 6 o'clock. So we bought our tickets at 20 each and 50 for the camera, and after giving all our contact details we finally entered the lake. During our pre-independence era, the British developed Shillong for their resting place. Back then in UK, the climate used to be very similar to that of Shillong, and having the capital of East India Company in Kolkata, or back then Calcutta, was tough for them to adjust with the hot and humid climate. So this is how the city Shillong came up as a resting place for the Britishers. So most of the famous tourist places that we enjoy today were built or gifted by Britishers back then in those days. So this is how the Wards Lake came up. As you can guess from the name itself, the Wards Lake is named after the Englishman Sir William Ward, the Chief Commissioner of Assam. Don't get confused by the name Assam. Back then all these northeastern states were put on the Greater Assam province. This Wards Lake was designed by Thomas Pollock, and because of this, the Ward Lake is locally known as Pollock Lake. According to a fictional story, which might be a myth, basically I came across this story when I was searching about the Wards Lake, that the area around this artificial lake was developed by a Khasi prisoner who did so just to mitigate the monotony of his daily routine. I mean, that's kind of story I want to hear. Just in case you visit this lake, don't forget to take an amazing boat ride. Just make sure that you do this before 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening, as sun sets early in northeast. Also, there is a major cafeteria in the lake premises for all your hunger cravings if you get tired walking around the lake. This artificial lake is built in the shape of a horseshoe and is very close to the governor's residence. It is beautifully surrounded by a botanical garden with several orchids and other floral species. If you come in spring, you will definitely enjoy the amazing floral beauty of this lake. We took a complete walk along the lake and sat beside the lake for a while to enjoy the sunset. Orchids and white swans accompanied us in our trek here. By the time we completed our walk, it was around 6 o'clock and we moved out of the lake to reach our home, as Shillong had night curfews from 7 pm. Anyway, it was a great experience spending our evening in the Wards Lake, and we totally enjoyed it. I hope you too have enjoyed it. I hope so. Don't forget to like the vlog in case you have enjoyed it, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel if you enjoy watching travel and food vlogs. Don't miss our last vlog from Krangsuri. All these vlogs that you saw in our Meghalaya playlist were from Khasi Hills, and Krangsuri brings you the beauty of Garo Hills. Thanks for watching the vlog, and we'll catch you later in the next vlog. Stay well.